Insert ko yung picture si Paris nag-take ng photo, guys. Sinend ko sa mama ko, and sabi ng mama ko, hindi na sana binigyan kasi buntis na.
Loved you yesterday, loved you still, always have, and always will. With love. I'm reminded every day of why I first fell in love with you. It's the thoughtful things you say and the little things you do.
Look at mommy. Shh. That's better. Ow! Ow! Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. So it's the 14th of February and it's currently 10:30 ng umaga, guys. Nandito tayo sa bedroom kasi hindi kakagising. I've been awake for at least half an hour now, guys. But yes, late tayong nagising ngayon kasi it's Sunday, wala tayong work, and also it's lockdown, guys. It's second day na lockdown dito sa Melbourne, so wala naman kami magagawa, diba? Anyways, it's been a sweet, beautiful morning for me kasi Daddy Mike woke up early and then umalis siya, guys. Tapos pagbalik niya, come here, anak. Papi, let's show the flower Daddy bought for us. Come on.
In the shopping.
In the shopping, say Happy Valentine's Day.
Hi, Tay.
Sit down here. Let's show the flower. So, ito yung flower na dala ni Daddy Mike, guys. Do you like the flower, na?
Mommy.
Yes.
The carrot.
Okay, Terry. What's the color of the flowers?
Pink.
Pink. Do you love it? I love it. Super sweet ni Daddy Mike, guys. Sobrang ganda. Kahapon daw to niya in order, tapos pinick up niya today. Ooh, do you like the flower, na?
Yes, I like it.
And then, when Daddy Mike came home, may dala siyang, yung hot drinks, and then,
in the shops.
meron tayong, yung, how do you call it, Daddy? Toasty. Cheese toasty. Thank you, Daddy. Daddy's very thoughtful. I'll hold it. Mommy will hold it. Wow, so beautiful. Guys, sana everyday Valentine's Day. That's good. My mom is so funny, guys, kasi nag-send ako ng photo. Actually, si Paris yung nag-take ng photo. Oh, shush! Hurry up. I-insert ko yung picture si Paris nag-take ng photo, guys. Sinend ko sa mama ko, and sabi ng mama ko, hindi na sana binigyan kasi buntis na. You shouldn't have gotten one. You're already pregnant. But I know she's just kidding.
This is good.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
You're very sweet.
That's right.
It's very nice kasi meron ganito, guys, so we can put this in a vase. It looks so cool. I really like this one. Itong mga green na mga dahon. Tapos pink na purses. So Daddy Mike and I were talking last night, guys, kung ilang Valentine's Day, pang ilang Valentine's Day na ba namin ito. And then sabi niya, it's been, fourth Valentine's Day daw. But he was wrong. It's 5th Valentine's Day na namin to ngayon kasi we've been together since 2016, but then February 2017, obviously we're together na sa 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 5 years. Come here, anak, baby. Mama. You hold the flower for Mama, baby.
No, I want the one. My first present.
Wait, the flower. See, hold the flower for Mama. Okay. Wow.
I'm pushing.
Oh, you're pushing. Okay na. Ilagay natin sa vase, guys, para humaba pa ang kanyang buhay. Go, get up, go.
My one.
You're okay?
Mommy.
So, ayan, guys. So, ngayon, ang hindi alam ni Daddy Mike ay meron akong regalo para sa kanya. So, in-order ko to siya online. Dumating siya actually earlier last week. Pero iniwan ko lang sa sasakyan para hindi niya makita. So, hindi niya alam na meron akong regalo para sa kanya, guys. Hindi lang siya maalam ng mga surprise, diba? Meron din tayo. So, kukunin natin sa sasakyan ngayon. And pasensya na, guys, hindi pa ako nakapag-ayos. Kakabangon lang talaga, guys. Ang ating buhok, I woke up like this. Ito ang literal na woke up like this. Kasama si Bulandat. Careful. Uy. Kukunin lang natin sa sasakyan, guys. Naka-box pa yun. Yung delivery box pa talaga. Oh, what are you getting, Nak? Where are you going?
I'll go and get it. I got the car by you.
Check the mailbox. Careful, ha? Tiil ba ka, Nak? Okay.
Right! Mommy's wonder.
See? Oh, that's junk mail, Nak. Alin na. Let's go. Give this to Daddy.
Ouch! Oh, my one inside me that.
Okay. You're the delivery girl.
That's for me.
Say happy Valentine's Day, Daddy.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Don't drop it. Make sure you don't drop it. Ating baby girl, hindi pa nabihisan. Hindi nagising. Pero mas nauna siyang nagising kasi sa akin. Sabi niya, "Hey Mom, I'm awake." Okay, get up straight away so there's no ants. Yeah.
Have you got a prize?
Yes, I have a present.
Wait, is that yours?
Yes, that's just Jonah's prize.
Yeah, you have to give it to Daddy. It's for Daddy.
Is this for Daddy?
That's for you, babe. That's from Tito.
Is it from Tito?
Yes, that's from to the right.
Thank you, Mommy. I know what it is, Mommy.
Already?
Yes.
Huh?
What would you give me if I get it?
I don't know.
If I guess.
Yes, babe. I drop it like a boy.
Naka!
What?
Oh, is that for Daddy?
Is that for Daddy too?
Daddy's birthday.
Daddy's birthday?
It's Daddy's birthday.
Come here.
You better sing happy birthday to me.
Yes, it's for you.
Sing happy birthday.
Come here, Anna.
Happy birthday to you.
It's to you.
To you.
We'll see what's Daddy got.
It's Daddy's birthday.
Birthday!
That's birthday for the daddy.
For the Daddy?
For daddy. This is red.
Yeah.
Alright.
Huh?
Alright.
I don't know, ba?
Better start.
Kaya asan na kasi we'll see what Daddy got.
It's a watch.
What is that?
Happy birthday.
Sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. You might use it hurt for you.
This is for Daddy. Come.
Sing.
Happy birthday
We'll have a look what Daddy
to
got.
you. Happy birthday to you.
I sure birthday to you. We'll turn the light on, Beth.
Happiness.
Happiness!
Wow.
Thank you. What?
Is that Daddy's? Did Daddy get his watch back?
Yes!
Thank you, Mommy. That's my.
Uy, Daddy! Uy, buwa ka! Kulay ka.
Here we go, Dad.
Again.
Give it to Daddy.
Thank you. Kiss.
Here we go, Dad.
So see guys, as you can see, meron ng ganito dito sa gilid. So it's exactly the same.
This is the one that I dropped in the Murray River.
Yeah. So ito yung nung pumunta kami with Jess and
Here we go.
weekend getaway kami. Tapos ano tawag dito? How did it happen, Daddy?
Fell off the jet ski?
Yeah, it fell off the jet ski.
We fell off the jet ski.
Oh yeah, anyway, they did fell off the jet ski. So tingnan nyo guys, hindi na siya umaandar, tapos broken na dito, nawala na yung ano niya. And I know how much Daddy Mike loves it because he still wears it even if hindi na siya umaandar.
Even if it's missing the glass.
Yeah, missing na lahat guys, oh.
Free hands.
Wala na. So I know he really loves it. So that's why I decided to give him that, baby. Again, show me, Daddy. So give him the same thing. Ayan. Kasi I know he's going to love it. What is that?
This is my phone.
Where's my card?
Where's the card now? Hey, can you read it, please, Daddy?
Sure. Hey, Mommy, do you want to take the links out?
Did we do it last time? Huh?
You did.
Did I?
Yeah.
Ayan.
Yeah.
Oh, ayan na guys. Oh. So this is made of wood.
Happy Valentine's Day, my love. Loved you yesterday, loved you still, always have, and always will. With love. I'm reminded every day of why I first fell in love with you. It's the thoughtful things you say and the little things you do. You gonna kiss again?
Huh?
Can you kiss?
Proper one, Bob. Sama ko na yung sina.
Give me a kiss. Now let's do it again, ready? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
Kiss.
This is Daddy.
Kiss.
Look at that.
Kiss my happy birthday. Love you.
You.
Tignan niyo guys, nag-improvise si Paris. So, nilagay niya yung mga band-aid niya sa loob ng sisidlan ng ano ni Daddy. Hi guys! So, time check tayo. It is now 3 o'clock ng hapon and nagbihis kami guys. Para maglakad-lakad lang. Tignan niyo yung family. Oh. So, this is how we are celebrating our Valentine's Day 2021. Lockdown. It's a lockdown Valentine's Day.
Tama mo?
Kaya yan. Oh. Lakad-lakad pag may time. Where are you going now? First go. Where are you going?
Shops.
Shops?
Yeah.
Which shop?
The new shopping.
The new shopping? Are you sure?
I like books. I want to carry.
Huh? No, we have to walk. The ice is waiting. The ice is waiting.
Quick. Mila.
Look that.
What is that?
There's a big ant.
Ants, come on. So we are on our way to 7-Eleven now, guys.
See what's for you.
What is it?
Hey.
What's wrong? No, we have to go for a walk, honey. Walk. Ayan, nagpaarsa na. Ayan. So, guys, wala naman kaming ibang magawa, diba? So, hindi kami makapag-dinner sa labas or something like that. So, we're just gonna go for a walk to 7-Eleven and get some Slurpee.
No more, Paris. Walking now so I can get ice cream.
That's special. Nak na?
We're walking in your feet.
Anak, alam mo, hugo ang shoes ni Daddy, nak.
So I can get ice cream. Come on.
Go, go. We'll get ice when we get there. Show mommy how you run, B. B. Catch Daddy. Careful, Daddy might utot. Careful, Daddy might utot.
Where one day?
You got me.
Come on, keep going.
You got me, my beautiful
The
girl.
ice will melt. Oh, careful. Have a look at the bonnet na Daddy. Honey, fix your hair, B.
Okay, Bobby, I'm caught now.
Can you fix her hair, please?
I'm a cooler now.
Here. Come here.
Daddy will fix. Anak, oh, your hair is everywhere, nak. Mura kag
No, not mine.
Gi.
Really?
It's no. It's not. It's just funny.
Wait, look at mommy. Look at mommy. Shh. That's better. Okay, go. Nakagilayog ganina na. Nananggal. Buti na lang maganda yung araw, guys, at least. Alam niyo naman ang ating Daddy Mike. Ayaw niyan talagang makulong sa bahay. Kaya kailangan lumabas kahit sabing bawal lumabas. Hindi, okay lang naman, guys. The walking is fine. Permitado naman. It's very important to have some fresh air. Di ba, Nak? What is that?
There's a birdie to do that.
It's a birdie.
I was just scared of that.
You get scared?
You look scared
Like that?
like that.
Oh,
I was scared in the multi-core.
Yeah, it's just a bird.
Look, that's like
It's
that.
just a bird. See? Can you make the sound, Nak, of the bird? What is it? Ah, put it back. Put your vest on. Come on. Hala, matagak na po na ka. You don't know how to put it on.
Eddie,
Come on na. Come on na, mag-melt na ang ice.
watch.
Wow, so good. Oh, so good.
Hey, Ray,
Daddy, look at her.
That's your one.
Come on.
That's your good. That's your no one.
Oh,
Bigger one.
oh. Come on, let's go.
Bigger one.
Go, follow Daddy. Malapit na kami sa aming destinasyon. 7-Eleven it is. Diyan kami magsa-celebrate ng aming, ano guys, Valentine's Day. So, it's pretty quiet, guys. May mga sasakyan pa rin naman. Say hi, guys. Here, Paris. Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Do you like ice cream?
Makes the drinks carbonated.
Yeah.
Dito kami ngayon sa labas ng, ano guys, 7-Eleven, oh. Sobrang init kasi hindi kami makaupo dyan. So, andito si Paris sa gilid lang, oh. So, this is what I ordered. Ito ang aking binili. Restaurant order. Show me what you've got, babe. What is that? Show it. Show it to mommy. What is that? What is it? Ice cream.
You like it?
So, mine is the Slurpee, guys. Yung Coke na.
Can we try?
Yes. And that is got the ice coffee. Is that ice coffee?
Daddy will have this one then.
And then I got this too. Ayan na.
Baby, no. No, Daddy, no.
Uy, Daddy, share. Uy. You're having some of mine? Tingnan yung ating baby girl, guys. Tinatawag niya yung daddy niya kasi it's very hot there, Daddy. Come here. It's cold.
Cold.
Is it cold here? Hmm?
Hey, Dad. No, Dad, not there. Right there.
Where do you want Daddy to go, anak?
Right here. It's in there. It's cold.
Okay.
Hey, Dad. Hey,
Dito
Dad.
kami ngayon sa gilid ng ano, guys?
Stay here.
7-Eleven.
Dad, Dad, you must hear it.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yummy.
Pass another chat. wanna check the crack in the window? Ow! Ow!
Buang na sa lockdown, guys.
Ow! Ow!
Dance lang, nak. Dance. Dance lang, anak. Toot, 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 toot. Careful. Toot, 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 toot. Dancer sa 7-Eleven. Toot, 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 toot. Toot, 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 toot. Let's go na. Check natin, guys, ang ating dinner. So, ayan, nagluto lang ako ng... Oh, biglang lumabas yung laman. Nagluto ako ng party pies. Ayan. Para mas madali. Tapos si Daddy Mike may pagkain naman siya for ano, yung mga pagkain niya. Ayan, that's ready. Turn this off. Kain na tayo, guys, because it's already 7:30.
Very hot.
So, anak, it's very hot, nak. We have to blow first, okay? Tingnan nyo, guys, so ang bulaklak nilagay ko sa vase. Sobrang ganda. Pasensyahan na yung, ano, walang katapusang pagtutupi sa likod. Oh, tapos kung naririnig nyo ang washing machine, I work pa kasi meron tayong isang load na nilagay. But yeah, ito lang yung niluto ko, guys. And then we've got two options of, ano, guys, tomato sauce. This one is hot tomato sauce, and this is the UFC banana ketchup. This one. Did you blow, Anna?
Okay.
Are you sure?
I'll do it.
What is that?
For sure.
Ito pala yung pistachio nuts, guys. Surprisingly, Paris loves them. Ooh, yummy. Do you like it?
Just a
Did you blow? Sit here, sit with mommy. Wow.
hot
Blow.
blow it for me.
Okay, mommy will blow for you. Sure, honey.
No, mine.
Just
No,
not
no, mine to hold it.
Oh.
Then, then you say,
What are you watching now?
get.
Joke.
See? Can you see the going there?
Wala, matagal ko to.
Hold.
It's so hot. Blow, blow, blow more.
Ah, hold.
Yeah.
Hot.
Tomato sauce.
Ah,
Oh,
the hot, ma. It's hot.
pata mo man ano na. Mama, babe, try.
Mine. Kevin, Chandler.
Dwayne Johnson is getting the VIP treatment from his daughter. In yet another
Hold my brother. It's hot. No, that.
from his 2-year-old baby girl.
Hi guys, time check tayo. It's now 10 o'clock. Nandito na kami sa bed. As you can see, everyone is now laying down. But yeah, yun lang yung ganap namin for today, guys. Valentine's Day. Nothing super special talaga. Like, hindi kami nakalabas and all. But it was good to have that walk earlier today. Kasi bukas, Monday, work na naman tayo. And we're really hoping na hindi na nila extend yung lockdown, guys, no? Because they're saying it's only until Wednesday. But who knows? They might drag it. You know, they might do it like last time, guys. Week, and then 2 weeks, and then 1 month. But fingers crossed, finish na in Wednesday para naman back to normal na naman yung life natin. But yeah, I'm just going to end the vlog here now because we're going to sleep. Good night, everyone. Paris. Night.
Good night.
Night. But we'll do a quick shout out. And the first shout out goes to Carlvin Burinaga, Jovey Esin, Ruby De La Rosa, Emelita Gonzalez, Emmy Garcia, Maria Cristina Gores, Joanne Ambe, Rosel Flor, Luz Tiongson, Lane Romero, Jonah Reese, Sonia Stewart, Aiza Rica Diaz Mediona, Novero Yoli, Alina Risoles, Joanne Owano, Maricar Castañeda, Maria Teresa Ramos Magsisi, Gloria O'Malley, Michi Manalo, Hannah Sarumines, Sally Saminiano, Gail, Cherry May Ongayo, G. Alcera, Angelica Asuncion sa Silingan, hello. Shout out to Arlene Huablar, Annalisa Bulacchia, and Marine Gobaro. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
Be careful, bye.
Goodbye.
bye. Bye, guys. Mwah.